today is Tuesday, January 3rd. On today's agenda, we're gonna be painting today. So right now we're gonna set up our little area. This is where we're gonna be painting on the floor. And my dog is literally just watching us. She's sitting on the outside, just watching us. So yep, we're gonna set up and we're just gonna paint. Let's go. So we have our setup. We got a canvas, we got some paints, we're using white and Payne's gray, paper plate to mix on, and some brushes. Okay, let's paint. Painting number 1 is kind of a fail, so yeah, I'm gonna do another one. Attempt 2 was not better, so I think we're just gonna start from scratch. Okay guys, I'm now on attempt 3 because the first 2 were ugly. So now I'm painting my dogs.